Welcome to Dear Parents. I'm excited to share the amazing projects your children completed after 3 months course with IIPGH. They've been learning CodeIt, web design, and Python and game design, and their dedication shines through every project. Last week, we showcased some of their works, and today we are excited to share the rest. Their projects reflect their growth and creativity, and we are so proud of what they've achieved. A big thank you to all parents for your support. Your encouragement has been key to their success. This is just the beginning of many more opportunities and achievements.